Do you wake up each morning feeling stiff, sore, or slow to move? Are your knees or hips aching just from getting out of bed? What if I told you there's a simple drink you can make at home that can help ease this joint pain naturally without pills, without side effects, and without expensive treatments? In this video, you're going to learn exactly what this drink is, how it works inside your body, and how to make it step by step. For many people over 60, this one simple habit has made a world of difference. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a natural, affordable daily drink that could be your new best friend against joint pain. Joint pain isn't just a nuisance. For seniors, it's one of the leading causes of reduced mobility, lower independence, and even depression. It creeps into your life quietly. First, it's the occasional twinge, then it's a nagging ache, and before you know it, climbing stairs or tying your shoes feels like a chore. But here's the thing. You don't have to accept joint pain as part of aging. There's growing evidence that certain natural ingredients have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. They can soothe the swelling, lubricate your joints, and even help rebuild tissue. Best of all, you don't need a prescription. Just your kitchen, a cup, and 5 minutes each morning. Section 1. The Science of Joint Pain. To understand why this drink works, let's talk briefly about what causes joint pain. Your joints are cushioned by cartilage and lubricated by synovial fluid. As we age, the cartilage wears down and the fluid dries up. This leads to bones rubbing against each other, causing inflammation, stiffness, and pain. Common causes include osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, gout, past injuries, and even poor diet. Chronic inflammation is at the core of nearly all types of joint pain. Inflammation is your body's defense mechanism, but when it's out of control, it starts attacking your own tissues. This is why anti-inflammatory treatments, whether medications or natural remedies, are the gold standard in joint health. Section 2. The ingredients of the drink. This special joint pain drink uses 5 natural ingredients: turmeric, ginger, lemon, black pepper, warm water, or green tea base. Optional, honey for taste, cinnamon for added anti-inflammatory effect. Let's explore each one. Turmeric is the star ingredient. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown in studies to reduce inflammation as effectively as some over-the-counter medications without the side effects. According to research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, curcumin significantly improved joint pain in patients with osteoarthritis over a 6-week period. Ginger is another powerful anti-inflammatory root. It blocks the same enzymes that NSAIDs, like ibuprofen, do, but without harming your stomach. In a study from the University of Miami, participants who took ginger extract had 40% less knee pain. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, essential for collagen production, which helps rebuild cartilage. It also helps alkalize the body, reducing systemic inflammation. Black pepper might seem small, but it plays a critical role. It contains piperine, a compound that boosts the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Warm water or green tea acts as the base. Warm water helps the body absorb the nutrients, while green tea adds its own anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Section 3. Recipe and Daily Routine. Here's how you make it. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water or brewed green tea, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, organic preferred, 1/2 teaspoon ground, ginger juice of 1/2 lemon, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon honey, optional, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, optional. Instructions: warm your water or green tea. Mix in turmeric, ginger, and black pepper. Squeeze in the lemon juice. Stir well. Add honey and cinnamon if desired. Drink slowly, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. Daily routine. Tip: drink this for 30 consecutive days. Many people report feeling a difference after just 2 weeks, but don't stop. Natural healing compounds need consistency. Make it part of your morning ritual. Section 4. Real stories from real seniors. Meet Carol, age 67. She had severe knee pain and was taking ibuprofen daily. After switching to this drink every morning, she was able to stop the pain meds within a month. I didn't believe it would work at first, but now I won't go a day without it, she says. David, 74, used to have swollen fingers every morning. He started drinking the turmeric mix with green tea and noticed that the swelling was significantly reduced in 3 weeks. I can play cards again with my friends without pain, he laughs. Section 5. What not to do. Here are a few mistakes to avoid. Don't use boiling water, it can destroy some compounds. Don't drink it too fast, sip slowly, don't skip days. Don't expect overnight miracles, give it time. If you're on blood thinners, talk to your doctor first. Turmeric and ginger can thin the blood naturally. Section 6. The power of anti-inflammatory diet. If you want to supercharge the benefits of this drink, combine it with anti-inflammatory foods. These include berries, blueberries, strawberries, leafy greens, spinach, kale, fatty fish, salmon, sardines, olive oil nuts and seeds, whole grains, oats, quinoa. Avoid foods that trigger inflammation, refined sugars, processed meats, fried foods, white bread and pasta soda, and sugary drinks. Section 7. Exercises that complement this drink. Simple movements keep joints lubricated. Try these daily exercises. Walking, 20 minutes a day. Gentle stretching, especially hamstrings and lower back water aerobics. Great for low-impact movement. Tai Chi or yoga. Excellent for balance, strength, and joint mobility. Pairing movement with the anti-inflammatory drink gives you the best results. Section 8. Supplement options. If you want to take this further, some seniors combine the drink with glucosamine and chondroitin, helps rebuild cartilage. Collagen supplements for joint and skin support. Omega-3 capsules, powerful anti-inflammatory vitamin D, 3 plus K2, supports bone and joint strength. Always consult your doctor before starting new supplements. Section 9. What happens if you stop? Some people try this drink for a few weeks, feel better, and then stop. Within days, their stiffness returns. That's because inflammation doesn't rest. It builds quietly. Like brushing your teeth daily, fighting inflammation is a daily habit, not a one-time solution. Don't wait until pain returns. Stay ahead of it. You don't need to suffer quietly. Joint pain is not a sentence. It's a signal, a sign that your body needs help. And now you know what to do. Start with this daily drink. It's simple, it's natural, it's proven. If you commit just 5 minutes each morning to making this drink, you could gain hours of pain-free movement, better sleep, more energy, and the freedom to enjoy the activities you love again. So what are you waiting for? Try this for 30 days and let us know in the comments how you feel. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs relief. Your health is worth it, your comfort is worth it, and your best years are still ahead. Thank you for watching. Stay strong, stay mobile, and take care of yourself every day.